Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option script special for you. This is a Nick Davis script, 100% original script. I have enrolled this script on Nick Davis personal website. I can show here is a Nick Davis website. Then I can click download now and I can pay this script for $14. Sorry, $15. Okay, I can show my email. Okay, and as you can see, as you can see, the payment is confirmed. Nick Davis script. I have purchased this script $15. I have sent this indicator you just $10. Please message me on Telegram and WhatsApp. Okay, I can link in description on my Facebook account link and Telegram user ID. Okay, you can search on Telegram and you can message me on Telegram. Okay, then you can payment me only $10. I can send this 100% original Nick Davis script. As you can see, this is a Nick Davis photo. As you can see, 100% Nick Davis script is a very good script. Somebody have sell this indicator, but this indicator is very good original script. This is a 100% non-repeat script, and this is accuracy is 85% to 90%. Very good script. Okay, and here is the next candle buy and market going up. Okay, very good. Today market is very bad. Okay, you can just confirmation. Okay, very good indicator. You can trade on. Always follow money management. Okay, I can trade this indicator. Please send me message on my Telegram and Facebook account link. I can add my WhatsApp account. Okay, no problem. Please send me and enroll this indicator and purchase this indicator just $10. Okay, very good. Okay, next candle sell. Sorry. Okay, as you can see, very good script, but I have late entry. Okay, as you can see, next candle sell and next candle sell. Okay, then here is a good level, but I cannot read this here. And okay, next candle buy. Okay, I can place trade. Oh man, sorry, this trade is 13 minute. I can sell this indicator. Okay, I can place trade on higher option because this indicator show next candle buy is a very good script. Okay, sometimes you can lose, but you always follow money management, you can always profit. Okay, very good script. This is a world best script. Okay, I give option just for this indicator. You can on trade on Cortex pocket option, no problem. Okay, you can just use for this signal. Okay, but I have lose this trade for this entry. Okay, no problem. I have recovered this trade. Okay, no problem. It's a very good script. It's a world best script. Okay, and very good accuracy. Okay, as you can see, I have owned this state 100%. Okay, as you can see, next candle buy and market going up. Next candle buy and market going up, and next candle sell and market going down. Okay, very good. Is a 100% non-repeat indicator. is a 100%, 90% winning ratio. Okay, okay, I have placed this trade for $100 for higher option. Okay, as you can see, okay, please follow always money management. Okay, okay, let's see the result. Okay.